Alright, hey guys, I'm about to do a quick tutorial for a project that I've been working on for the past 3 months or so for my University of Guyana final year project. It's a software that I've been working on to develop. I've personally nicknamed it AMS. AMS stands for Analytical Management System. Yes, it's basically a software for analytical management that I would have developed, right? AMS is short. So without further ado, let me go ahead and open the application. The programming language that I would have used is Java programming language, and the integrated development environment that I would have used is NetBeans. So I'm going to go ahead and open up NetBeans. It's going to take a little while to process. Alright, while it's processing, we're going to run through two tutorials so that I could show you guys how is it that this application works. Alright, now we're gonna just wait for it to open. Alright, NetBeans is open, right? So these here on my left hand side, these are previous projects that I would have worked on, minus these two here. This is the one that we're working with today, AMS, code name Analytical Management System. So we're gonna open up this here. Alright, it's already opening. That means we're gonna close the start page, seeing that we don't need that. Yes. So this here is the application. Actually, the codes behind it, the source codes. These are the codes that I would have used to build the software. Again, the programming language is Java that I would have used, and these are the source code. This here, on the other hand, is the interface. I mean, yes, it may look basic because I'm still a student at this year. I'm still an amateur and I'm still learning. So I don't really think that is a bad start for my first try. But yet again, this is the interface that I have here that I would have used to develop this application, the login interface. As you can see, this panel here is to log basic information. This panel here, and this second panel here is sort of analysis required. Right. So without further ado, we're going to run this project. Click run at the top here. Alright, this is the application that is just open. We're just gonna go ahead and open this here. Alright, I'm gonna do two tutorials on this part, right? Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how it works, right? So let's say we were receiving a product from a plant, right? Let's say that product is I mean you could choose whichever product comes, right? There will be a list of more, but for now this is what we have to work with. Let's say that we receive the product I've vodka. That would be the product description. The location that it came from, we're going to say bottling plant, and we're going to put the date of the production date for it. We'll say that the production date is the 24th of May 2019-05-24th is the production date, and the date received at our location, let's say it's 2019 05, a day after 25. Yes. Good. So now we finished logging the product's basic information here. Now we're going to proceed to the analysis, right? So let's say that, all right, we finished doing the analysis, right? Yeah, we have a results, but we just need to log it into the application, right? So we're going to say the apparent strength for the rum. We're going to say that is 40.0. The obscuration, we're going to say it's 0. Oh, we didn't get anything for it. The real alcoholic strength, we're going to say that is 40.0. We're going to say the pH is 2. We're going to say the dry extract is 0. The turbidity is 0.3. The total acidity is 0.5, and the sugars, we're going to say it's 0. Again, just let me repeat what I just said earlier. This second panel here is for the analysis of the rums that we'll be doing. This at the top here is the basic information. We received the rum Ivanhoe vodka. The area in which it came from was bottling plant. This is the day it was produced, and this is the day it was received at our department. We run our tests on them, and we're going to log it into the application once we finish doing the physical analysis for them, right? So this is the data we put in here for the rums, and then we're going to go ahead and click save, and this is going to save the results on our desktop, or you could choose whichever location you want to save it, right? So we're just going to go ahead and save, and it's going to prompt you showing that it was successfully saved, right? So you're just going to click OK here, and then click exit. Alright guys, and as you can see here, it shows that this application was successfully run without any synthetic error. Now that's just one part there. We're going to go ahead and do a second tutorial. That part there is on ROMs. We're going to run back the application. Oh yeah, before we run back the application, I forgot to mention the area in which this was saved. It's on your desktop, but I did not choose my desktop as my location. I actually kept it in my NetBeans folder, right? So it's data, and that's what you just save. Good. And as you can see here, all the basic information that we would have just logged into the application, these are them here, right? Remember, we just now said that the apparent strength of vodka is 40, the obscuration OBS is 0, the real alcoholic strength is 40, pH is 2, dry extract is 0, turbidity is 0.3, total acidity is 5, and total sugars is 0. Product description is Ivanhoe vodka, the location is bottling plant, date of production, and date received. And if you want, you could go ahead and print this entire data here on a Word document to file off and keep as records, right? Yes, so that's it on that part. So we're going to close that application. Close this here, right? Yes, so that's it on ROM. So we're going to run back the application a second time. I'm going to run it back. All right, we're going to open it. This time we're going to say we just received Pepsi Cola. The location that came from is beverage plant. So production date we're going to say is the 23rd of March 2019, 03-23rd. And the date received we're going to say the 24th of March. 24th of March, right? But so we're going to go ahead and do the analysis. Let's say that the analysis was complete and we have the results we need to log them into the application. So we're going to say put NA, not applicable, because of course we know that Pepsi doesn't have alcoholic strength, any alcohol inside of it, so it's going to be not applicable. Obscuration, you only use obscuration when it comes to deal with rum, so we're going to put NA as well for obscuration, NA for real strength. We're going to say the pH is 2.25. We're going to say the dry extract is NA, again because we only use dry extract when it comes to rums, not Pepsi. We're going to say that our turbidity is NA as well. Total acidity we're going to say is 2.3. I'm going to say the sugars is 0. Okay, now that's the basic results for the Pepsi analysis. So the Pepsi product we would have just now complete. And we're going to go ahead and save this information here so that it was successful in saving. I'm going to click exit. Now we're going to have to go and locate it again. Let me show you guys before I leave here to show that my application was successfully run in green here. Now we're going to go and locate the information that we just saved for Pepsi, right? So so as you guys can see here, the product description is Pepsi Cola, the location is beverage pan, date received, and date of production. And alcohol is strength oxidation, real oxygen is Na, pH is 2.5, dry extract is Na, for not applicable, turbate is Na as well, and total acidity is 2.3 and sugars is 0, right? Well guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. So this is basically it for the application, and as I would have said earlier, you could go ahead and print this information or cut and paste it onto a Word document and save it, and maybe email it to the various location as well. Yeah, so hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and that is it.